Welcome to Trig Identities. I'm going to do a problem that you actually kind of need to know a little trick to do it, because there's really nothing when you look at it that you can think of to do to try to get the left side to look like the right side. You can't change it to sines and cosines. There's no factoring. You can't really, it's not any of the identities. So I'm going to show you a little trick that you can use when you have a problem that looks like this. And the trick is to use the conjugate. So I'm going to work on the right side. I'm going to use black. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both the top and the bottom by 1 minus cosine, which is the conjugate of the bottom. So it will look something like this. My numerator is going to stay the same. I have my 1 plus cosine theta, and I'm going to multiply both the top and the bottom by 1 minus cosine theta. And remember, it's okay for me to do that because I'm multiplying it actually by 1. And notice on the right side over here, I do have a 1 minus cosine theta on the top. So I'm trying to get it to look like the left side. All right, well, what am I going to do now? I'm going to multiply the denominator. So I have sine theta on top with my 1 minus cosine theta, cosine theta, all over 1 minus cosine squared theta. Because remember, when you multiply conjugates, the middle terms cancel out. But because I'm so good at my identities, I know that 1 minus cosine squared theta is actually sine squared theta. So now I can rewrite it as sine theta times 1 minus cosine theta all over sine squared theta. And you guys that are on the ball can see what's going to happen now. One of these signs is going to cross out with one of those signs. And that's going to leave me with 1 minus cosine squared theta all over sine theta. And lo and behold, it looks like what I wanted it to look like on the left side. So there we go. We did our identity. So a shortcut, not a shortcut, but a little trick that you can use when the problem looks like it's using conjugates is to actually use the conjugate. Thanks for listening. Hope this helps. Bye. After listening to this, I know I was saying left side instead of right side because normally I'm working on the left side but didn't have enough room. And I think over here when I was at this step here, I said cosine squared instead of just cosine. So I'm just kind of editing my mistakes. Hopefully that didn't mess you guys up. Okay, sorry. Bye.